If you like getting in there first with the latest mobile tech, you are going to love the Honor View 20. It's a phone packed with world firsts, including a massive 48 megapixel camera, a super speedy Kirin 980 chipset, a stunning 6.4-inch all-view display, and a truly unique design. So let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing that really catches your eye with the Honor View 20 is the cool chevron design on its glass and metal back. It's pretty retro, and with the 80s revival still going strong, it's bang on trend as well. Then round front, you've got this amazing 6.4-inch all-view display, which also happens to be the world's first with an in-screen camera design. So rather than that big notch at the top, you've got this rather cute little punch hole instead. That also means the display covers almost the entire surface of the phone, making it all killer and no filler. Now let's talk about this world first 48 megapixel camera. The amount of color and detail it's capable of capturing is just incredible. Of course, it helps if you're at an amazing location, which explains why we're at the Barrio Cantina here in Shoreditch. So let's see if we can capture some colorful Latin American style. It couldn't be easier. All you need to do is point and shoot to get those Instagram classics, while the onboard AI automatically kicks in and adjusts the camera settings to give you the best possible shot. It can also recognize over 1,500 different scenes, anything from a night out to fast-moving traffic outside. The other world first on the Honor View 20 is the Kirin 980 chipset, hard at work behind the scenes. It's fast and smart, which makes everything you do super smooth and responsive. Plus, it uses AI to make everything more efficient, and that includes battery management. So you should be able to keep going all day long without needing to hit the charger. So all in all, this phone is an absolute banger with plenty of features you'll never have seen before on any smartphone ever. And if you want to be the first to get your hands on the new Honor View 20, you know what to do. Click the link on screen now and order it from Carphone Warehouse.